Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Pixelbox. Today we are going to create a Halloween themed t-shirt design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna use these elements. You can download them by clicking the link in the description. After downloading that, open up Adobe Illustrator, create a new file. Set this to centimeters, set width to 30 cm and height to 40 cm. Make sure it is on 300 ppi to get the best result and create a file. Let's change the background color of the document. Hit M to bring up rectangular tool. Click on V to bring up the selection tool. Make sure the rectangle is selected and set the stroke to none. Double click on the fill and choose whatever color you want to be your background color. I will choose red because it is the Halloween theme. I'm gonna copy the moon by hitting Ctrl+C. Lock the background layer and make another one. Hit Ctrl+V. Set the moon at the middle of the document and increase its size. Now copy the ground layer by hitting Ctrl+C. Go to the document, lock the moon layer, make another layer, Ctrl+V. This vector fit perfectly to be the background of the Halloween theme. If you want to change its color, you can do that easily, but I'm not gonna do that because it looks good. Now I'm gonna add some bats. There are 3 variants of bats in the document. You can use one or every bat. I forgot about adding a new layer. You can make a copy of anything by pressing Alt and drag it. This is a shortcut key to duplicate an item in Adobe Illustrator. You can also flip anything in Adobe Illustrator by right clicking, transform. You can rotate or reflect. I'm going to reflect it to vertical. You can preview this by clicking on the preview button. Our main design is ready. Just we have to do is add some text. I made a custom text for Halloween design. You can just copy it and paste it on the design. Press T to bring up the text tool. Add the text that you want. I'm gonna type happy in all caps. Click in the description to download the font. If you want to change the text color, press I to bring the eyedropper tool. I think the caps lock is on. Just press on the caps lock and it will bring the eyedropper tool. And we are pretty much done with this design. Unlock all the layers. Now all we need to do is make a clipping mask. Click on add layer. Make sure it is above all the layers. Hit M. Make a rectangle that will fill the canvas area. Hit V to bring up the selection tool. Select all by clicking Ctrl+A. On the properties panel you will see make a clipping mask, and there you have. As you can see, it is not perfect. You can always go inside the clipping mask and adjust everything. This is the Halloween theme design that you can apply on a t-shirt. All you need to do is export it and place it on a mockup. You can design differently by using these elements like this or this. These are 2 different designs using same elements. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.